With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence technology, the education industry has leveraged its capabilities to enhance efficiency. One implementation is the use of AI-powered language assistants, which offer instant feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and writing style. These tools are increasingly integrated into classrooms and online learning platforms, allowing educators to provide individualized support to help students improve their language skills. In this video, I will delve into the effectiveness and efficiency of AI-powered language assistants in language learning. AI-powered language feedback assistants are tools designed to help users improve their writing. For instance, tools like Grammarly offer feedback on language mechanics, while platforms like ChatGPT can assist with more complex writing tasks, such as content generation or structure improvement. According to Kellogg and Rallerson, AI-powered language feedback assistants significantly reduce the time and effort required for marking, thereby increasing the efficiency of the assessment process. By automating the grading process, AI tools allow teachers to assess more students' work in a shorter time frame, making the process more streamlined and cost-effective. Another key advantage of such language feedback assistants is their objectivity. Human grading can be influenced by various external factors such as fatigue, mood, or unconscious biases, which might affect the consistency of the evaluation. However, AI algorithms apply the same standards across all assignments, ensuring that every student's work is graded uniformly. This consistency leads to a fairer and more reliable outcome. Not only valuable for efficient and consistent assessment, AI-powered language feedback assistants also serve as tools that support the development of self-directed learner. Unlike traditional assessment methods, which may require students to wait for feedback from their teachers, AI-driven tools offer immediate insights into students' performance. This real-time feedback enables students to independently identify their strengths and areas for improvement, allowing them to make timely adjustment to their work without external intervention. To further support self-directed learning, the Singapore Student Learning Space (SLS) rolled out 2 learning feedback assistants to customize learning pathways to individual students' needs. The 2 learning feedback assistants, namely Language Feedback Assistant for English and the Short Answer Feedback Assistant, aim to enhance feedback and assessment through the provision of immediate and customized feedback. The Language Feedback Assistant for English provides basic feedback on students' writing in areas such as spelling and grammar, while the Short Answer Feedback Assistant provides suggested grades and auto-generated content-related feedback for close-ended short answer questions for any subject and level. Both tools aim to enhance classroom efficiency by streamlining the feedback process for teachers. While AI-generated feedback has carried out the teacher's job by grading and providing basic feedback, I would like to propose that the traditional method of giving feedback remains essential. The efficiency of AI-powered feedback assistants is undeniable, but we must not overlook their limitations in terms of effectiveness. A typical online feedback assistant operates predominantly in text-based formats, offering corrections or suggestions with no emotional context or understanding of a student's learning journey. The feedback provided by AI lacks the human touch that is essential in education. Drawing from the point that learning is a social activity, turning to AI feedback is changing the cultural script of learning. The social interaction in traditional learning environments fosters deeper learning compared to the transactional nature of AI feedback. A teacher can provide multimodal feedback through verbal explanations, visual aids, or even offer real-time support in a one-on-one conversation. There are things an AI simply cannot replicate. Adding on to the lack of human touch in AI-powered feedback assistance is the lack of personalization in the feedback given. AI-generated feedback is often generic, failing to take into account the individual student's learning ability, interests, and needs of the student. For instance, students with lower reading proficiency may struggle to comprehend the written suggestions provided by these systems. As a result, teachers end up spending more time rewording and simplifying the AI's feedback so their students can actually understand it. This process defeats the very purpose of using these tools to reduce teachers' workload. Effective feedback ensures that students learn and grow from it, rather than simply correcting errors. One of the most significant limitations on the SLS platform is the lack of opportunities for students to seek clarification. In a traditional classroom, students can raise their hands, ask questions, and engage in conversations with their teachers to deepen their understanding. However, students are left to interpret feedback on their own on this online platform, which can be particularly problematic for passive learners who may not actively seek to clarify their misunderstandings. While AI language assistants are efficient at highlighting mistakes and offering immediate corrections, they are not able to provide the kind of forward-looking guidance. They cannot engage students with guiding questions or prompt them to think critically about how to apply feedback in future tasks. For AI feedback tools to reach their full potential in educational settings, they must evolve to provide more nuanced, culturally responsive feedback and support interactive learning. The current system often struggles with interpreting diverse expressions of understanding, particularly when responses fall outside the narrow scope of pre-programmed model answers. For example, students from different linguistic or educational environments might structure their thoughts or arguments differently. To address this, AI should be trained on a wider range of linguistic and cultural variation so that the system can adapt better to the unique ways students from different backgrounds communicate their learning. Efficiency would be greatly improved when teachers no longer need to reword AI feedback to make it more comprehensible for their students. Incorporating two-way communication within AI feedback platforms is another enhancement that could be beneficial to learners. Introducing an interactive feedback loop where students can ask questions and receive clarifications from the AI would simulate the kind of dialogue that happens in a traditional classroom setting. By addressing these areas, we can create tools that are effective and efficient to better align with the educational needs of students and teachers. Thank you.